So this is our last day here in Bali before moving on to Hong Kong seminar on the weekend. And I'm very impressed with Bali. I've been here many times, but each time what is impressing more and more is the dedication to spirituality here in Bali. Every person here, it seems, spends at least an hour or two every day on offering, on praying, and this really shows in how harmonious it feels here in Bali, how honest people are, how happy they seem, and well, it gave me a lot of thoughts again about what it means to be in balance. And I understood that balance is really not the right word. Balance means to be stable, to be connected to one possible state. And this is, to me, it's a state of death, that's not a state of health. So a better word, which is often used as a synonym is equilibrium. But equilibrium is really something different than balance, because it comes from the word equal degrees of freedom in every direction. So if you are in a place where you are equally moving from one place to another, from one state to another, from one event to another, from one thought to another, with equal amount of freedom. And this is what you can see here in Bali a lot. And I think you can understand here more than in other places the function of religion is to allow a different dimension to daily existence. So on the horizontal we have all our daily needs, our need to make money, to live in a society, to fulfill the requirements we are getting from every side, including taxes and the spouse and the mother-in-law and the landlord and the banks. But then there's something else. When you introduce something that is of a different kind, that's really complementary but in a way vertical to all these demands, and that's an informational, a spiritual demand. And so here you can see it's part of everyday offerings here. Family comes, and this is not a special day, it's an everyday situation. And when you have this so much part of your life, it creates a dynamic labile equilibrium. It allows another polarity in your life that makes it possible to see all these horizontal demands from a different perspective, from a higher perspective, or just from a different perspective. And this, I can see, works very well here. There's not much dogma. There's worship being done. One of the main celebrations just was this last few days. It was to Saraswati, and basically Saraswati is considered the god of If you have not experienced it, come here. It's worth it.